Welcome to AI Explainer, where I show you how to use ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to specify, format, and expand for content creation with ChatGPT. So let's say you have a blog about health and fitness, and you want to write a blog about benefits and tips for getting up early and getting the most out of your day. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you write a blog about benefits for getting up early and make the most out of your day? Be specific and unique. Now, as you can see here, I specifically asked it to be very specific and unique because the last thing you want is a very generic blog with things that lots of other people or the internet is used to. And Google is not really impressed by it. We want to ensure that what you're writing is interesting for your reader and interesting to Google. And a way to do that is you need to be not only specific, but also expand on key points. You can see here the initial draft. It's not the best start. It has short points on it with 2 or 3 lines of text. It's a good start, but you might want something that your reader is really going to grasp, so I'm going to poke the AI machine a bit to expand it for us. So I will then ask, can you expand on points 3 and 4 and remove point 1? This is to show you an example that you can direct it on which one you want to expand and which one to reduce, so that your article becomes more focused and unique on things you want to write about. The other way you can do it is to copy-paste a bit that you like. Since the latest version of ChatGPT is a lot faster now, you can just work on it while it is creating it, and it's much easier to copy-paste some of these versions while waiting for it to generate. We had a good start, but I still feel it is not as interesting as it potentially could be. And I also want to know more about what is the natural circadian rhythm, so I'm going to highlight the words and ask, what does this mean, and can you expand on it for the interested reader? This way it will make your text more unique and interesting, and it also helps the readers that would like to know more. Now you can go throughout your blog and make enhancement and improvements in your text while having the freedom to choose what kind of versions ChatGPT has generated that you like. Another thing that I found about ChatGPT is that it is often very dot point based, as you can see with all this lists, numbers and points. It doesn't read it as naturally and not in depth, so I'm going to ask, can you remove the numbering and make it more flowing text with deeper insights? And it will then start removing all the points and numberings, and it gave the text more depths as we asked it to. But now it became kind of hard to identify as there is no heading or conclusions or any main points, so now I will just further refine it if I wanted to. Can you create an interesting subheading midway and end on a strong point that makes people think? So again, I want to make it more unique and catchy in the eye. The next step I'm going to take is ask it for 10 title ideas, so that it can have something that really works with Google, and in that way, hopefully there is one that will help us with getting the eye of the readers for our article. Here it is. I like it, but they are all in the same format. It's like an initial idea then unlocking something. So maybe I'll ask, can you make it sound less AI and not use the colon sign or format? It is typical of AI to use this format, few words, and then the colon. So now it comes up with new ideas so my article looks less AI. To recap, you have learned how to go from a generic to a more specific good structure. Then from the structure, you learned how to make good points and sections. From that, you also learned to expand some key points further. After that, you worked on alignment of the text. You made it more flowing or dot point style if you like. And last but not the least, you learned how to generate unique and new ideas so that your article becomes less AI with new subheadings, titles, and format to choose from. And in the end, you can keep expanding and expanding until you like your article. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more of these helpful videos on using AI.